Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best thermal camera, selected for their users quickly identify issues and make informed decisions with confidence. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. MILESEEY TR256i Thermal Camera. The MILESEEY TR256i Thermal Camera is a compact yet powerful thermal imaging tool designed for professionals who need reliable temperature detection and fault diagnosis. Featuring a 256 by 192 thermal resolution, this device delivers clear and detailed thermal images that help users quickly identify overheating components, electrical faults, and insulation problems. The 25 Hz frame rate ensures smooth thermal imaging, making it easier to scan moving equipment or inspect large areas without lag. With a wide temperature measurement range from -15 degrees C to 600 degrees C, the TR256i is suitable for industrial inspections, PCB circuit repair, electrical maintenance, and HVAC troubleshooting. One of the standout features of the MILESEEY TR256i is its smart embedded design that supports Android and iPhone devices, making it highly portable and convenient. Instead of carrying a bulky handheld camera, users can simply connect the device to their smartphone for real-time thermal analysis. Number 2. NOYAFA NF-526E Thermal Camera. The NOYAFA NF-526E Thermal Camera is a professional-grade industrial thermal imager designed for multiple inspection applications, including HVAC maintenance, electrical inspection, pipeline detection, and building diagnostics. Equipped with a 256 by 192 infrared resolution and 25 Hz frame rate, the device provides smooth and detailed thermal imaging performance. This allows technicians to quickly identify heat leaks, electrical overloads, and mechanical faults. The temperature measurement range of 20 degrees C to 400 degrees C covers most industrial and maintenance tasks, making it suitable for electricians, maintenance engineers, and building inspectors. One of the major highlights of the NOYAFA NF-526E is its 3.5-inch full viewing angle TFT display, which provides clear thermal imaging even under bright lighting conditions. The device also features 2-megapixel visible light imaging with a built-in LED fill light, allowing users to capture both thermal and visual images for more accurate analysis. Number 3. Nohawk HVAC Thermal Camera. The Nohawk HVAC Thermal Camera is a compact and highly portable thermal imaging solution designed for technicians, electricians, and HVAC professionals. Featuring a 320 by 240 super resolution thermal sensor, this camera delivers sharper and more detailed thermal images compared to many entry-level thermal cameras. This higher resolution helps users easily detect hotspots, insulation failures, and electrical faults. With a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, the Nohawk thermal camera is suitable for various applications, including HVAC maintenance, automotive inspection, and industrial diagnostics. One of the most convenient features of the Nohawk HVAC thermal camera is its plug-and-play Type-C connectivity. Users can quickly connect the device to Android smartphones and iPhone 15 or newer models without needing additional batteries. This battery-free design reduces weight and allows longer working time by drawing power directly from the connected device. This makes it especially useful for field technicians who need lightweight and portable equipment. The camera also offers versatile temperature measurement tools, enabling precise readings across multiple points. Number 4. REVASRI Handheld Thermal Camera. The REVASRI Handheld Thermal Camera is a professional thermal imaging device designed for home inspectors, HVAC technicians, and electrical maintenance professionals. Featuring advanced TISR super resolution technology, the device enhances the real 96 by 96 resolution to 240 by 240, delivering clearer thermal images for accurate fault detection. This improved imaging performance allows users to easily identify overheating components, insulation problems, and electrical issues. With a 25 Hz refresh rate, the camera provides smooth and responsive thermal imaging during inspections. One of the strongest features of the REVASRI thermal camera is its wide temperature measurement range, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. Whether you are checking power equipment, diagnosing HVAC systems, or inspecting home insulation, this device provides accurate and reliable readings. The high and low temperature tracking feature helps users quickly detect abnormal temperature changes and identify potential failures before they become serious problems. The camera also includes 4 GB built-in memory, allowing users to store captured thermal images
images and videos for later analysis. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who need to generate reports or review inspection results. Additionally, the device supports multiple languages, making it accessible for users worldwide.
Number 5. BSIDE SH7A Thermal Camera. The BSIDE SH7A Thermal Camera stands out as a powerful 2-in-1 device that combines a thermal imager with a digital multimeter. Featuring an impressive 320 by 320 thermal resolution, this device delivers highly detailed thermal images that help technicians quickly locate hotspots and troubleshoot electrical faults. The 25 Hz frame rate ensures smooth imaging performance, while the 3.98-inch capacitive touchscreen provides a clear and responsive user interface. This large display makes it easier to analyze thermal data and identify problems quickly. One of the major advantages of the BSIDE SH7A is its integrated digital multimeter with up to 20,000 counts. This allows users to measure voltage, current, and electrical parameters alongside thermal imaging, reducing the need to carry multiple devices. The camera also offers 15 color palettes, including white hot, black hot, rainbow, iron red, and more, allowing users to customize thermal visualization for different inspection scenarios. And that wraps up the top 5 best thermal camera. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.